Hey everyone, welcome to this video, organizing assets into a folder structure. So let's talk about folders in Liferay. Folders are used to organize files and web content in Liferay DXP. They work similarly to folders on your PC. So you think about having folders within other folders, naming them. You can access the documents and media repository via the site administration panel. Users need the appropriate permissions to access folders, and Liferay Sync can also be used to access the repository. As you can see here on the right, when we're looking at web content, we have the option to add folders from the top right. Importing and organizing files in Liferay. Once again, we'll be talking about the documents and media repository, and here we have the option to import multiple files at once. You simply click on the multiple files upload option, and once files are imported, you can use folders to create a logical structure organizing them. So we've seen it's pretty easy to get files and folders into Liferay, but now let's talk about customizing them a little bit. Folder restrictions must be configured before a workflow process can be implemented. Workflow processes can be implemented for documents and media or web content. Restrictions allow administrators to choose specific document types or structures that can be included in a folder. So we can decide which users or groups can view or edit the contents of a folder. And we have the ability to set up a process where we are checking what is added or changed in a folder. Very short little video here. Users can manage documents by creating and using folders. Multiple files can be imported into the documents and media repository. Create file hierarchies to organize your files by adding subfolders beneath your folders. Workflows can be applied through folder restrictions for both web content and documents and media alike.